this is J&J Studio. Thanks for stopping in. We got another wonderful video for you. Here we go. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Another J&J Studio video.
See me? Oh, I see you rolling right there. Keep an eye on this for a little while. Well, we got a lot of people on the side of the road. Yeah, we're getting something. Yeah. Keep an eye on this for a little while, then we can pull over ourselves. Yeah. Okay, we just pulled over. Okay, we're gonna zoom in right here. I think I keep eye on this a little bit. Yep, it's on the ground. Tornado's on the ground. Here it is, right here. Tornado's on the ground. Okay, we're back on the road. Wow, look at the mothership. This is nice. Cool. This is good. This is a very developed storm. It was awesome. Man, it's beautiful. Man, it's beautiful. Beautiful in the storm. Healthy. Okay, guys, we are looking at a funnel. Pretty much the bottom left. Okay, right here in the middle of the screen, right here with what we're watching. Oops. Yeah, there they go. I can't say this is on ground yet. I kinda think it is. No. If I can get this thing stable enough. It might be on the ground, guys. I think we got a confirmed tornado. Yeah, I can say that it might be on the ground. We just call this a tornado on the ground. Trying to make sure, yeah. Check this out. Yeah, this is a nice one. Boy, beautiful. It's about, maybe, it's not, looks like it's on the ground. Still watching this. See if it, we get any actual damage or how much debris. Currently I don't really see nothing major, but it's fun to look at. Just keep it this way and pray and be this way, stay this way. Currently we out in open field right now, so it shouldn't be hardly any damage. If so, if it does touch down, yeah. Earlier I thought we saw some debris earlier, but you can see the span. It's got pretty decent rotation. You see that sucker span. You see the little how the clouds look like a Ferris wheel. So looking pretty good. We're still watching the storm. Stillwater, we still kind of keeping an eye out for you. We're watching this thing spin up, spin down. We've been watching this for a while. We're gonna continue watching this storm and hope it don't produce anything. Currently, we haven't had any major storm damage right now at this time. We are currently still out in the field. We're gonna hang around a little while longer, then we're gonna relocate.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell so you get the newest notification, newest videos, and share us out with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.